Hello, my name is Farron and I'm going to walk you through how to use this month, November 2021, for manifestation purposes. How to take advantage of the energy that we have going on, which is a lot. After the dark moon, new moon situation, we're moving into a very inspired phase. This is going to be the hard part. In that time frame, you need to be very specific for yourself and look for what it is that you're going to work on, what you want most, right? It might have come up during dark moon, new moon, okay? If it did, fantastic. If not, pay a lot of attention for a few days and see what comes up, what is most inspiring to you and what feels best in your body. In the days before 11/11, so the 9th and the 10th, you're going to start writing these things down and be very specific. You're going to notice how it is you can do things to support those actions. What are you going to do to bring them into your life? Is this possible at this time? If not, what can make it possible? Be very specific. On the 11th, take advantage of the energy. Meditation, movement, singing, dancing, sound, doesn't matter what it is. You want to encompass the vibration that is coming at you. It's going to be a lot, but it's going to be different for everybody depending on where they are in their body. So you do you, okay? And then right after that, we drop into a phase before the full moon where we're going to do some work to support what it is that we just came up with. See how quickly that is? It's like the next day. So don't waste the time, take advantage of it, but definitely rest and don't look at rest as waste, okay? Because you will learn more if you rest. If you don't rest, you can still do it. It just becomes a little bit more challenging, okay? And then during the full moon, it's going to be extremely prismatic, lots of extra energy. Do whatever you want with that energy. Make sure that it falls in line with what it is that you want to create. If it doesn't vibrationally match, move to something else. There's nothing wrong with those other things. It's just that you're focusing this month on what it is that you are bringing to the table for real. Right after the full moon, we drop into a very introspective period. This might be extremely vibrant for you. Why am I saying might? It's an extremely vibrant time, so it's going to be vibrant. Notice which side of the coin you're looking at and see if you can find the space in between. Try not to be too into the polarity of things and see what you can learn in between. And then right at the end of the month, we have a transitions day. If you saw my monthly report, you'll see more about that. It lines up with the holidays for a lot of people. So be nice to yourself. Maybe take a little bit of a break from what it is that you're creating, but make sure that your interactions and the way that you are integrating your emotions matches with what it is that you are doing for yourself, right? The thing you're working on. I don't know what you and your family are like. If you can bring it to the table, bring it to the table. Some people might want a little bit of a break. That might be you. Again, do what works for you, but just know as soon as you put these things in play, you're going to feel fired up by the extra energy and you're going to want to get to work. So if the wanting to get to work becomes a little bit agitating, make sure you're not slapping that on the dinner table with your family, because they're not going to want that, because they might have their own things that they're working with, which is a given. Anyhow, this is about manifesting what you want and taking advantage of this collective energy, but also the excess energy. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.